everyone, in this video we will see that how to configure recruitment process in OpenEduCat. First of all, you can log into the system with your username and your password. Then you can go to login. You can actually go to your menu, then you can go to recruitment application. On this dashboard view, you can see all the job applications. So if you go to the one which has been created earlier, so click on that one. Now you can see initial qualification stage at the moment. So if you go to that particular job application and if you click on add it, you can make any changes if you are required to make in the system, or you can go to the application and double check any details for that job applicant. So you can see email address, phone number. You can go ahead and double check your HR who's responsible for that job application. You can go ahead and check the contract information, your job details, your application summary also, and on the same page down there you can see your attached resume also in the system. If you go up there on this left side, you can see meetings. You can click on that tab and create meetings. If you go on to the next one, you can click on documents and you can see attached documents also. Now if you want to go ahead with the interview, you can click on the stage where it says first interview, and you can start your recruitment process from then onwards. If everything's good to go ahead with this particular job application, with this particular applicant, you can skip your second interview, or you can go ahead with second stage on the interview process, or you can go direct to your recruitment option and you can make a contract proposal. Once you're in the contract proposal, and you can make offer to that particular applicant, and you can go ahead with that particular job application. So if everything's okay for this applicant and company also, you can go next to more option and you can go to contract sign and get the recruitment process done for this job applicant. And on the left side you can see create employee option. If you take that tab and if you select on the create employee option, you can create employee in the system also for this job applicant. This is how you can configure your recruitment process in OpenEduCat using recruitment application. Thank you for your time.